Hi guys, we're here at Dan's Crafts and Things in Rochester, New York, and we've got Jacob from Traxxas, and we're going to unbox the new TRX-4 Blazer.
So what you guys are looking at is a first delivery model that we send to our brick and mortar hobby shops for them to be able to show all of you guys what the new truck looks like before it releases for sale, so you guys can come into the store and take a look at all the new details and all the new features.
Check out these wiper blades, the mirrors, that front grille looks amazing.
So you've got a new chrome grille, chrome bumpers, you've got the new rally wheels, of course a custom two-tone painted body, along with not just clear windows, but tinted clear windows.
I really like the gray on these wheels, they turned out really accurate.
Along with the chrome mirrors, molded door handles. This is going to be available in two colors. You're going to have it in red and black, and then you're also going to have it available in the orange and white.
We've also got here the new inclinometer from Traxxas for the TRX-4 we've got on our Defender here. We're going to show off.
So this is an update that we did to the transmitter and receiver, and if you own a TRX-4, you already have this feature available. The only thing that you need to add is the Bluetooth module for the back of the transmitter, which you can get here at Dan's Crafts and Things. And the purpose here is so for those of you guys that are crawling, you can set an alarm for yourself. So if you reach a certain approach angle that's too steep for yourself, you'll get an alarm, just like you hear right there. The phone will buzz. And you can also do the same for the X-axis as well. And this is already built into your truck, guys. You don't have to add anything but the Bluetooth module. If you already have the Bluetooth module, you just need to update your transmitter and you can utilize this feature.
I can see that would be really handy to have an audio of when you're about to flip over so you can focus on the truck.
Right, so we have a phone mount for you guys too, but since it does an auditory alert and it does a vibration alert, you could potentially put this just in your pocket. Your phone went black. Yeah, and it's still going to go off and let you know that you're reaching that awkward angle, or you're going to tip over if you have perhaps made your truck a little too heavy on the top side.
That's one cool looking truck. You guys did an awesome job on this.
Thank you. Obviously, there's a lot of effort that goes in for all the scale detail and everything that you're seeing with the tailgate handles and the bumpers and the door handles and the mirrors. Even just doing the clear windows, tinted clear windows on top of that, not just clear but tinted clear windows, requires a lot of engineering, a lot of effort to get that right and get those details right.
You guys nailed it. We also wanted to show off the new kits we got from Traxxas recently too. You guys got back into the kit game and we're really excited about that.
Yeah, obviously we haven't done kits in a while. We did do the new TRX-4 kit, which is a complete kit that comes with all the electronics for anybody that's interested in building something and don't have electronics to install. And then of course we got a lot of requests for a TRX-4 Sport kit with no electronics. So you can install what you'd like, whether the XL5 system, high voltage system if you wanted to do that. With Traxxas transmitters to utilize all of the features that we have, or if you already have an existing electronic set that you just want to put in something else. If you already have a Defender perhaps, but you wanted to try a Sport and maybe reduce weight to compete a little more, you can do that and just swap your electronics over after you've built that.
I really like that it comes with the adventure rack right in the box there. So this, right in the box, you're getting all the extra scale accessories there.
We also have a new body for it as well that you could get as a separate item if you're more into like the camper style look. We have a camper style body as well now that comes in clear.
Cool. Thanks.
And then we've got the Stampede 4x4 kit. which also does not come with any electronics, so you can install if you already have something. If you've got a tool drive brushless slash or a brush slash and you want to stampede, you can just swap your electronics over into this and it'll work, or you can get some additional electronics and make it what you want. So you can make it a slow truck, you can make it a fast truck, it's totally up to you. The options are totally up to you guys. And these are available now, both of the kits are available now here at Dance Crafts and Things and your local hobby shops. And the Blazers will be available, the K5 Chevy Blazers will be available here in a couple of weeks. If you haven't placed your pre-order, get into the store, put your pre-order in as soon as you can. We do our best to fill all the pre-orders first for the hobby shops so that they can make sure that their customers are taken care of.
All right.
I think we covered everything.
Thanks for watching. From Dance Crafts and Things here in Rochester, New York, with Jacob from Traxxas. Thank you very much, Jacob.
You're very welcome.